Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create image in ChatGPT. So let's start. At first open your desktop. Now you can see now we're going to the Chrome browser. Now select from search bar. Now click. Now search type from ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT. Now keyboard press for enter. Now select from ChatGPT. Chat work create and code with AI. Now click. Now you can see then I show the new interface and the anything else ask and create image. Now type from prompt pick image. Now search from type create image in green apple on white background. Now click from send prompt. Now wait for some moment in the loading. That it's now we can say create the image in apple. That it's now you can say create apple in ChatGPT is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.